Hello everybody, this is Jono21 and welcome back to another Minecraft Snapshot video. Today, 20w18a was released for the Java edition of Minecraft, and this brought some changes to redstone wire and some changes to how target blocks function and a whole bunch of bug fixes. So today we're going to be starting by looking at the target block. It will now conduct a redstone signal. So when you pass a redstone signal through it, like so I've got a redstone torch, which is then feeding this redstone wire, which is then powering, kind of making this powered, and then it will power blocks around it. So as you can see, it will power blocks below it, to the left, to the right, above it, and behind it. So it basically powers all sides. There has also been changes to redstone wire in this snapshot. The block state rendering and behavior of redstone wire are more in line with each other, and redstone will provide power to blocks on all sides it shows a visual connection to, and won't to those without a visual connection. So I'm just going to go through each change now, and as you can see on the screen, there is a split between what it was before in 1.15.2 to what it is in 20w18a. Now, the first change is that the redstone now, when it's a singular wire, rather than making a kind of circular shape, it will make a cross shape. Another change is when you redirect redstone wire on top of a block, which has been redirected from below, it will power the sides it is redirected to now. So, for example, this fence gate is now being powered, and so it is open. But if you look at what it was in 1.15.2, you'll see that this wouldn't have powered the fence gate. Also, wires that redirect upwards to wires on non-conductive blocks, such as this glass here, which used to only be redirected visually. So as you can see, the redstone dust has been redirected up onto the glass block. Now, in 1.15.2, this would power the redstone lamp on the right. However, in this snapshot, 20w18a, it is no longer just a visual thing. It will no longer actually power the thing that it's passing by. So as you can see here, it won't power the redstone lamp because it's not being directed into it, it's being directed upwards. One final change to redstone dust is the fact that now, when a wire is redirected to go over a block, it will always provide power to that block. So this is most noticeable when the wire has a signal strength of 1. So as you can see, I've set up this cauldron so it's on its lowest level. So the comparator only gives out a signal of 1. And as you can see, it's powered the block here, but instead of it going, all the way and powering this lamp over here, it's just powering this block. Now, previously, it wouldn't actually power the block, so this lamp wouldn't turn on. So I'll just show you what it looked like in 1.15. So there you go, you see it wouldn't power the redstone lamp on the left. So now when you run redstone dust along and upwards onto a block, so it's going over the block, it will power the sides around it. There has also been a change to the chain block. It can now be waterlogged. It previously could not, so as you can see, the water now kind of flows around it rather than it creating a break in the water. There has also been some technical changes in 20w18a. So there's now a new enable status option for servers. So when this is set to false, as you can see here, it will make the server appear offline in the multiplayer screen. They have also added an entity broadcast range percentage property, which is for servers again, and essentially it controls how close entities need to be before being sent to clients. Higher values mean entities are visible further away from players, but cause more network traffic. As you can see, advancements have also been adjusted. So they've added player to check every trigger, and as you can see, they've changed the code a little bit. I think it's just to help with making sure that when someone does complete an advancement, it isn't not registered. And there's a little list below, so like bred animals for the the breeding advancement, and taming animals, and villager trading and stuff like that, and of course the new target hitting advancement. So I think this is just to help with making sure that when players do the things that are required for the advancements, they do get them. There's also been quite a few bug fixes in this snapshot, I'll let you read through these yourselves. I'm just going to pick out the ones that I noticed. And there was this Striders Can Float one, which I covered in one of my past videos, which you might have watched. It was the How Powerful Are Zoglings video. And at the start, I was just discussing a Strider bug that one of my viewers had found and left a comment on one of my videos. And it was about basically you could get Striders to float in the air by like using a lead on them, but that has now been patched in this snapshot. So as I said, you can go read through these bug fixes yourself. That was the only one that I think I've personally experienced. All the rest of them, I think I might have experienced once or twice, but not significantly. But you can go read through them yourselves. There's quite a few. They will be in the video description, but you can also go to minecraft.net and see them yourselves. So that just about wraps up 20w18a. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like on this video, it really helps. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe for more Minecraft news, such as snapshots, pre-releases and updates. And as always, this has been Jono201, and I shall see you later.